Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tactics World. I'm Atish Ranjan and in this video I'm going to talk about how to DM someone on Discord without being friends. DM means direct message. So how you can direct message someone on Discord if you are not in the friend list of that person or that person is not in your friend list. So let's find out how we can do it. So go to discord.com. Okay, then click on open Discord. Then use your login ID and password to log in to discord.com. I'm already logged in, so I don't need to enter it again. Now, first of all, see how you can send a message to a friend, that is the users that are in your friend list. So just go here, click on friends, click on all. So you see there is one friend here. Just click on the user, okay, and type the message, hey, how are you, right, and hit enter. The message is sent. So this user is in my friend list, so I can easily send the message. But what if the user is not in my friend list and I want to message him? So in that case we can only send a message to a person that share a common server. So if you go to a server like in any server that you have joined, like I have joined a Spellbreak, I click on this and I see there are so many users here listed. Okay, and I want to talk to some guy about some games and all, and since that person is not in my friend list, so I'm not able to send the direct message. So in that case I come here in the server and find that user, any user, like for example this one, right click and click on message and type a message, hey, how are you. See, the message is sent successfully. Okay, so this is how you can DM to someone without being friends on Discord. So this is it. But in some cases you may not able to send DM to the user from the server as well because of the user's privacy settings. Let me show you. Go to some server, any server like Spellbreak, and let me try to find out some user. uh, let's try this user. Right click and message. Just type a message, hello, how are you, okay, and just hit enter. But you will see that the message was not delivered and you get a message from the bot that your message could not be delivered due to various reasons. So there may be some reasons because of that this message was not delivered, and this happens because of some privacy settings of the user. Every user can set their privacy settings to stay safe from messaging from strangers, and that settings can be done from the privacy settings on Discord. As you can see a gear icon here, user settings, you can just click here and go to privacy and safety. So there might be possibility that the user may have disabled this option, allow direct messages from server members. That means if this option is disabled, a server member cannot send the message to that user who has disabled this option, right? So this way sometimes you may not be able to message particular users because of their privacy settings, right? So in that case you cannot do anything. If the user has a privacy setting that allows messages from server members, then only you can send the message from the server list, as I showed you just now. By the way, I forgot to mention about these safety features as well. These are the options that user may select as per their requirement or wish. So If you are sending some explicit media content, then these options may play a big role. Let me tell you how. If a person has selected keep me safe, then when you message some explicit media content, then the message will be scanned, no matter if you are a friend of that person or you are not the friend. All the messages will go to the user will be scanned first. If the message passes that scan, then only it will be delivered to that user. Now if that user has selected this option, then the friends messages will not be scanned, but others messages will be scanned, strangers messages I mean. And if that person has selected this option, I live on the edge, turn this off, that means whatever you send, that will not be scanned and directly sent to the user. So due to these privacy settings, sometimes your message may not go through to some users. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.